Can you hear me?
Yep. This one's good because this is the automatic squelch one.
Nice one.
This is the one with the Bluetooth and it automatically squelch. So the volume that you hear of me is here.
Okay.
So it's your own. That's just the intercom volume, yeah. Good morning, Blackbush Information. This is Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo Uniform at the stands, requesting a radio check and taxi.
Oscar Alpha Romeo Uniform, Blackbush Information. Good morning, readability 5. The runway new 07 right-hand circuit with a QNH of 1015.
Radio 5 also, 07, right-hand circuit 1015 I have. We'll be taxiing to Echo, Golf Romeo Uniform.
Romeo Uniform, roger. No traffic currently to effect.
Thank you, Romeo Uniform. 7010 then, okay, we have ATIS, we have that. Let's go to 4572 once we're up, we might have to get a traffic service, so we'll see. Okay, that's in there, so we can go to nav mode once we take off. We'll be doing a right hand turn, and then heading out towards Nugget. And we'll ask Bomber for an ILS approach in. Yep, and we'll transit Southampton. So we'll probably be asked to go to 4,000 or even 5,000 feet. Peace and peace in the green. Speed indicating. 50. 65, rotate. Okay, power checks are done. Quick trip to Bournemouth. And on board is Mohammed, who hasn't been here for a while because you've been doing your ATPLs.
And my MEP.
And your MEP. Okay, on the right tank. Did our run up already, coming up to the holding point, pre-takeoff checklist, fuel pump on, fuel pump's not working, but let's just, landing lights, nav lights, well, we don't need nav lights, let's put the strobe pitot heat on, we'll be going into clouds, and turn that on, 7010. Okay, for free movement, and trimmed for takeoff. Okay, doors secure.
Yep, doors on the left.
And secure. Okay, taking off 07, we'll be making a right hand turn and departing overhead. Gears up when we run out of runway, because if this runway left after we take off, we'll land back on. Before we rotate, obviously, we'll just come to a complete stop. And if not, we'll land 30 degrees on the right side.
Morning, Golf Juliet.
Sounds good.
Oscar Lima, request taxi from parking to refuel.
Blackbush Information, go from uniform is at Echo 1, ready for departure 07.
Go for uniform, runway 07, take off your discretion, surface wind 1105 knots.
Taking off, go from uniform. Okay, ready? Foot off the brakes. Full power. And speed's indicating. 50. 60. Wants to fly. And off we go. Okay, out of runway, tap the brakes, gear up. Again, transition. And gear is up. 25, 25. Start to turn. She flies nicely, doesn't she?
Very nice. Now I'll be getting back into the 150.
Oh no.
A huge downgrade.
Continue the climb to the overhead. Overhead. And then you put the AP on, nav mode, and then intercept the line.
Oh, nice.
So it's going to intercept this line, and we're going to climb to 3,000 feet at 700 feet a minute. 25, 25. Fuel pump can go off, landing lights can go off, rest can stay on. 2,000 feet, leaving the ATZ. And Blackbush Information, Golf Road Uniform is now leaving the ATZ and going to Farnborough 125.250.
Frame from Roger, good day.
Alright, speak to you, and I'll give you an update on our return. Thanks, Matt.
Speak to you soon, have a good one.
Good morning, Farnborough Radar. This is Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo Uniform, looking for a traffic service.
Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo Uniform, Farnborough Radar, pass message.
Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo Uniform is a PA-28 Aero 2 POB from Blackbush to Bournemouth IFR, planning via Nugget and Sierra Alpha Mike, requesting a traffic service, just climbing fast 2,500 feet on 1015.
Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo Uniform, Roger, squawk 0431, QNH 1015.
0431 you've got, and QNH 1015, Golf Romeo Uniform.
Golf Romeo Uniform, are you maintaining 2,500 feet?
Negative, I'm climbing to and will maintain 3,000 feet en route Nugget before going over to Southampton, Golf Romeo Uniform.
Golf Romeo Uniform, Roger, your identified traffic service, reduce traffic information, due proximity to local airfields, possible late or no running of traffic.
Reduce traffic service, Golf Romeo Uniform. Okay, we've got them, 3,000, captured. And we will go to Solanex 120230. That's the ATIS to pick up in a sec, so we know the runway direction and to set. Okay, cruise check this. Okay, welcome up in the air again. Nice quiet day. And Farnborough radar, this is Golf Romeo Uniform. I'm heading southbound towards Sierra Alpha Mike. Now request a frequency change to 120.230 for Southern radar.
Golf Romeo Uniform, Roger. Before you go, traffic left at 11 o'clock, range of 10 miles, northbound, 1,700 feet indicated. Farnborough radar service now terminate. Squawk conspicuity, remain clear of controlled airspace, and free-call silent radar 120.230.
Copy the traffic and 120.230 for Southern radar. Golf Romeo Uniform, thank you.
Golf Romeo Uniform, just for your advice, you mentioned to me you were IFR. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, I got that, 2,000. Okay, have a good day. Speak to you on the way back. Bye. Good morning, Southern radar. This is Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo Uniform on an IFR flight between Blackbush to Bournemouth. Currently tracking towards Sierra Alpha Mike, requesting a traffic service and IFR transit. Romeo Uniform.
Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo Uniform, silent radar, patch details.
Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo Uniform is a PA-28 Aero 2 POB, Blackbush to Bournemouth, 1015 on the QNH, maintaining 3,000 feet, tracking direct Sierra Alpha Mike, Golf Romeo Uniform.
Golf Romeo Uniform, Roger, it's a basic service initially, QNH 1015, squawk 3660.
Basic service initially, squawking 3660, and I've got 1015, Golf Romeo Uniform.
Oscar Alpha Romeo Uniform, you're clear to enter controlled airspace at altitude 4,000 feet IFR.
Clear to enter controlled airspace at 4,000 feet on 1015 IFR, Golf Romeo Uniform.
And Golf Romeo Uniform, correct.
Let's see if we can pick up the ATIS. There we go.
ATC that you have copied information. Alpha.
Alpha?
This is Bournemouth information. Alpha. At time 0750. Runway in use.
Half an hour ago.
Airfield
26.
information. Transition level, light level 70. Taxiway Alpha, closed. Taxiway Bravo, closed. Taxiway Romeo, closed. No access to apron area from the south. Surface wind, 090 degrees, 5 knots. Varying between 060 degrees and 150 degrees. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Clouds few at 900 feet. Scattered at 1,005.
TL speeds decreasing.
Temperature 17. Viewpoint 15. QNH 1014. Exocapsules. Advise ATC that you have copied information. Alpha.
That's why, just to show you, that's why a VR climb, a VS climb is dangerous.
Yep.
As you go up, your speed keeps decreasing and decreasing and
But
decreasing.
you always climb at VY.
Huh?
But you always climb at VY.
Well, yeah, you should climb at VY. So what you should do is set an ILS climb instead and put 90 knots or 100 knots. Indicated airspeed.
What does IAS do?
Indicated airspeed. So because it's got the G5 has the airspeed here, so you can tell it to climb at an indicated airspeed of whatever you want it to,
Oh.
at say 100 knots. So this way you can climb up to flight levels 090 at 100 knots without worrying about the speed decaying like just now.
And will the throttle adjust automatically? Or...
No, there's no auto throttle.
Ah.
That's the issue with the VS mode, because when you put VS 700 feet a minute, it would just keep trying to track 700 feet, and you don't have enough power the higher you go.
The ILS is based on pitch.
No, IS is indicated airspeed.
Ah.
Yeah.
Golf Romeo Uniform, what are your intentions at Bournemouth?
That was what I was going to say. For planning purposes, I would like a radar vectored approach into Bournemouth. I've got information alpha, so expecting runway 26. Golf Romeo Uniform.
So Golf Romeo Uniform, roger. Route direct Bravo India Alpha.
Direct Bravo India Alpha, Golf Romeo Uniform. Okay, direct to flight plan and activate. All good. Okay, procedure, let's load it up. So like approach, we're expecting ILS 26, that might change. Vectors, and let's just load that. Okay, and back to map. We can see Portsmouth from way up here, and Southampton's very clear down there.
Golf Romeo Uniform, contact Bournemouth radar now, 119.480.
119.480 Bournemouth radar, thank you, Golf Romeo Uniform. Good morning, Bournemouth radar. This is Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo Uniform, inbound for radar vectored ILS approach, expecting runway 26 with information Alpha.
Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo Uniform, Bournemouth radar. Information Bravo is current, QNH 1014. Vectoring ILS approach runway 26 with 18 miles from touchdown.
It's information Bravo now, 1014, and still runway 26, Golf Romeo Uniform.
Golf Romeo Uniform 10 left heading 185 base leg.
Left heading 185, Golf Romeo Uniform.
Back at a 23, turn left heading 080 degrees downwind.
Left heading 080 degrees, back at a 23.
Golf Romeo Uniform descend to altitude 2,500 feet.
Descend to 2,500 feet, Golf Romeo Uniform.
And Golf Romeo Uniform, confirm your intentions from the approach.
This is to land, and we're going to Fast Aviation for maintenance, Golf Romeo Uniform.
Roger.
Look at our speed building up.
That's why you reduce the power, don't you?
No, that's why you don't reduce the power, because you climb up all this way. Why would you waste your speed to get to destination? And if you have constant speed prop, you definitely don't reduce the power.
I mean, like, because like, you know, the speed will go into yellow, right?
Well, yellow is okay, so long as you're not in turbulent air.
Ah.
Back to the 23, turn left heading 075.
And we're not anywhere close to yellow.
075,
And we're not in turbulent air, so if we're in 160, 165, then okay, you know, maybe you could slow down a little bit. But it's about preparation as well. You know, you don't have a long time, but you do have a pretty long final to be able to slow down. And I know that this plane can slow down pretty quickly. But why would you sort of go down to 80 knots now for the sake of it? So, on a cruise descent, on a fixed pitch propeller, yes, you have to, because once you start doing this, the wind's going to turn the prop and make it go faster, and your RPM could then go past the red.
Oh yeah, because it's constant speed, isn't it?
Yeah, so we don't have to do anything there. Okay, downwind checks, fuel pump on, landing lights
From
on.
uniform, turn right heading to 30 degrees, closing the localizer from the right. When established, descend on the glide path.
Turn right 230 degrees, localizer from the right, and when established, descend with the glide path. Golf Romeo Uniform. Approach. And V-lock. 255, lines coming in, we're at IMC. Capturing the localizer.
Yeah, I can see it. And then the glide slope will be captured shortly.
Yep. Okay, well we're 8.5 miles, so let's start slowing down. Down to 2000. Let's go full. Brakes check. And this is an IMC approach into Bournemouth, runway 26 right now. No, not visual of the runway, we're about 7.5 miles out. And the glide slope's coming in. And Bournemouth radar, Golf Romeo uniform is on the localizer and glide slope.
Golf Romeo uniform, contact Bournemouth Tower 125.605.
125.605 for tower, thank you, speak to you later. Romeo uniform. Good morning, Bournemouth Tower. This is Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo uniform on the localizer and glide slope for runway 26 to land.
Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo uniform, Bournemouth Tower. Good morning, continue approach.
Continue approach, Golf Romeo uniform. And 6 miles.
Taxi to CTS.
133.
Golf Delta Golf.
129
Taxi CTS, report taxi.
to put the gears down. So let's start slowing down. That just tells you that the gears are down.
Aircraft just taxiing from Alto to CTS. Give after that see drop.
Okay, we're under 129. Gear down.
That's exactly the same as the Cessna.
Okay, gears down. And 3 greens indicated. And we can pretty much go full now. So reds, blues, and greens.
Up 0, Roger. Field 4, that twin stars now clear.
Visual of runway.
And one visual of the runway.
Radar 119480. Golf Romeo uniform, surface wind calm, runway 26 clear to land.
Clear to land, Golf Romeo uniform. Okay, clearance received. Gears down. Let's get the first stage of flaps. We're in the white arc. Coming up to 2 miles.
I think pull up slowly, the flap.
Huh?
We pull up slowly.
Yeah, but well, otherwise you're gonna jerk the whole airplane. Okay, let's put second stage 2 miles. Second stage is in. Last stage on short final. 90 knots. Okay, 2 miles and 600 feet.
Tower, good morning.
Disengaging autopilot.
Yankee Lift 40, MCA information from QNH 1014.
Oh, short final and final stage of flaps. 3 greens, reds, blues, and greens. Okay, 75 over the threshold and slowly reducing the power. That's landing.
Golf Romeo uniform, vacate Tango if possible, and then taxi fast via Tango Mike Whiskey.
Just missed Tango. Would it be okay to do a quick backtrack, Golf Romeo uniform?
Golf Romeo uniform, make quick 180, backtrack, vacate left Tango, and then taxi fast via Mike and Whiskey.
Quick 180 backtrack, and then vacate Tango, and fast via Mike and Whiskey. Thank you, Golf Romeo uniform.